This is the brief on escaping the monkey trap of stubbornness. You know, we often create our absolute worst stress by rigidly clinging to our opinions. But Dr. Phang Cheng Kar's mindfulness concepts offer a super straightforward framework to help us just let go. First, recognize the monkey trap. See, hunters trap monkeys by putting sweet bananas inside a coconut. The hole fits an open hand, but absolutely not a clenched fist. The monkey grabs the food and gets stuck, trapped entirely by its stubborn refusal to drop the prize. Well, we do the exact same thing with our thinking ghosts. Specifically, that rigid must-should mindset demanding situations go perfectly our way. Our ego literally becomes that clenched fist, trapping us in stress. Second, activate the green owl of beginner's mind. To unclench our mental fist, we have to drop our absolute certainty. Think of the green owl as looking at the world with fresh, curious eyes. What if you approached a frustrating problem with an "it depends" lens? Curiosity naturally breaks down stubbornness. Finally, apply the yellow owl of wisdom. This shifts our focus from protecting our ego to treating everything as a learning experience. Imagine a massive traffic jam. Your partner suggests a detour, but you stubbornly grip the steering wheel, snapping, "I've used this road for 20 years, I know better law." You totally ruin the mood just to be right. Instead, realize that letting go of a rigid opinion isn't losing. It's simply updating your mental software. Yielding your opinions isn't a defeat. It's really just opening your hand to win back your peace of mind.